Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase affiliate links with Canva affiliate program, detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase affiliate links with the Canva affiliate program, start by signing up for the program on the Canva website. Once approved, familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard and its features. Next, identify your target audience and consider what design needs they may have. Create high-quality content that showcases Canva's features relevant to your audience. Use Canva to design visually appealing graphics, infographics, or tutorials. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content. Consider writing blog posts that highlight specific Canva tools or templates. Optimize your content for SEO by using relevant keywords related to Canva. Share your content across social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Join Canva-related Facebook groups or forums and engage with users. Offer helpful tips and tutorials that include your affiliate link. Experiment with different types of content, like videos or podcasts. Use email marketing to share valuable resources featuring your affiliate links. Track your clicks and conversions through the affiliate dashboard to understand what works. Adjust your strategies based on performance data for continuous improvement. Stay updated on Canva's features and promotions to create timely content. Build a community around your content by encouraging discussions and feedback. Leverage user-generated content by asking your audience to share their designs using Canva. Collaborate with other content creators or influencers in your niche. Attend webinars or workshops to further your knowledge of design and affiliate marketing. Continuously refine your approach based on audience engagement and feedback. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to effectively increasing your affiliate links with the Canva affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.